Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Rainbow. So today we are gonna talk about how to get rid of dark circles naturally and permanently. Yes, naturally, without using any heavy makeup, any type of cream, any type of gels, nothing. All we need is a cube of ice. Yes guys, you heard me right. All you need is a cube of ice. This remedy is both for boys and girls. Even boys can use this product. Use this ice cube for their dark circles to get rid of them naturally and permanently. And this is not a girly thing. Everybody can have dark circles and everybody have the right to get rid from this. Yeah, everybody have. So boys, don't think that it is a girly thing. It is all about your skin. Take care of your skin and it will take care of you. Your skin. So guys, have to buy. It is pocket friendly and it is both for women and men, girls and boys. So boys or men's, please don't think that it is a girly thing or you can't use it because they are gonna affect on your study. It was not about study, it is about stud eating. So guys, take care of your skin. Please. Your skin is something a part of you. Take care of it, okay? So all you need is just a cube of ice. You need to take a cube of ice and rub it gently under your eyes or on your dark patches gently, nearly for 5 minutes. And if you think that you can't use ice directly on your skin, all you need is a cotton cloth. Take a piece of ice cube in it and just rub it under your eye. This is gonna work same. But I would prefer you to use directly on your skin as it is gonna work fast. And guys, yes, I'm not going to say that this will take a week or a few days to remove your under eye patches. Guys, it's gonna take time because it is a natural thing, but it is something permanent. It is gonna affect on your skin permanently. So guys or girls, without using makeup to cover your dark patches, you can just use this natural remedy to cover or to get rid of your dark circles. And I can assure you 100% that this gonna work. Yes, this will work and this should work. And one second remedy you can use for your dark patches are pieces of potato. Cut a piece of potato slice in this way and just rub it under your eyes in this way, like an eye mask. You can just leave it for 5 minutes. And guys, please use these remedies daily, because if you're gonna use this daily, then only it's gonna affect your skin. If you think that you will use it in a couple of days after weeks, then guys, yes, it will work, but it will work too slowly. And if you use this remedies nearly for 1 week or 1 month daily, I am sure you're gonna see the success result in it, because I too use these things for my eyes. And potato and ice cubes are something which is available in every house, in every single house. After you are done with it, take a cotton cloth and just remove the starch or the juice of the potato from your skin gently. And yes, you are all done. Yes guys, again I am repeating, it will take time. You wanna think that it is not working, but this is gonna work from inside your muscles, inside your skin. This is gonna relax your eye muscles. And please, with this remedies, all you need is to have neem, karela or something which are bitter but which are gonna purify your blood from inside. Please have healthy things. Yes, we gonna all have junk foods, as you can guess that I always had, but the thing I to use to purify my skin are karele ka juice, neem ka juice, and I also use safi. It's a product, or you can say it's a syrup, and it is made up of tulsi, neem, ashwagandha. I don't know, I will show you that in my other video. But please take care of your skin, guys, because it's your skin. Okay, so I'm gonna finish my video here, and guys, please do support me. Do subscribe my channel, share my channel, give a thumbs up, support me, and love you all, guys.